but I want to actually make a gift card as a third product we can have included in here. So if we go to gift cards, just in case you want to include this, just a nice way to have people more of an option to spend on your store. So if they don't know what they want to get for somebody, but they know they like, your product, your store, they could just, give someone a gift card and they can choose maybe the size that fits them, for example, or the flavor that they most enjoy. So we're going to click on add gift card. And it's worth mentioning on Shopify, you do have some extra editing tools. So if I click on this image and I want to change anything about it, I could resize it, I could crop it. So if I just want this to be like a little bit, maybe not that aspect ratio, I want freeform, make it a little more of this aspect ratio in line with the actual card. We'll go with that. And then we can say either download or just so we can resize it down to here and up to here, then click on apply, and we can save that. You can also replace the background, color the background, do some basic stuff like that. And these tools are definitely improving with time. As you can see, the AI is really improving with here, but let's click on exit. And with this one, we can change the denominations. We can add a denomination as well. So maybe $150 would be a good one to have in there. And that's pretty much all I want to show right here. So we'll save gift card as a product. So it's going to be a gift card product. If we go back to products, you'll see we now have 3.